Hello guys, nice to see you in my vlog today. And now I'm gonna see you how to cook a coffee at your home. So I will explain how to cook Italian espresso. I will explain how to cook Italian espresso. So we're gonna need coffee beans, we will need also moka pot. It looks like this, so you can open. And here we're gonna put our coffee. And here inside we will put all full of water. So as well we need a grinder to make a grind for our coffee beans. So let's start. First, we're gonna take this coffee bean, put inside this grinder. Let's open it. So it looks like that with this knife. So as you see, I put full of coffee. After we close, it starts. What a good smell. It's really, I like this smell. It's really incredibly adorable. Nice. I feel like I became really addicted to coffee. So we have this down part. We're gonna fill it with the water. Put this all full of coffee. It should be really full. Now we can close it. Really close it very tight, because if not, coffee will just escape from this part. You run away from it. It's almost done. Just put on the gas and wait something like 5 minutes. If you want to make a cappuccino, so we will need also to warm some milk. We get some milk. I use without lactose, but you can use whatever you want. I'm really milky, so drinking milk every day. One time I drank one bottle just with some cookies in a 15 minutes, I think. It was already empty. This part always full of milk. Usually I don't boil it because it's really already pasteurized, so I just a little bit warm it. And I have really interesting device to make these cappuccino bubbles. So you can see it start to go out. This our coffee. It means it's getting boiled. It's fill all our moka pot and getting ready. So it's just in a few seconds I'm gonna switch off the gas. Getting crazy. My coffee. Let's see how it's work. We just press this button. Wow! One time I was really all in. I made a disaster in the kitchen and all was in this froth, in this milk around, because I used very short pot for this, and as you see you need some space because these little drops of milk can fly everywhere around. Measure my dose of coffee, I use normal espresso cup, and I fill this cup little, and I already can be quiet that I will not overdose with my coffee. Real cappuccino cup. You can see how bigger is this cup. So I put first my milk, and after I already can put my coffee. Ta-da-da. I don't know how to make these hearts and everything what they doing usually in the bar or cafe, but even it doesn't have a heart on the top, it's tasting really good. So enjoy your coffee. I don't know, usually I'm watching some videos and drinking my coffee to have a pleasant time. Enjoy your coffee time. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.